Let's analyze these chords or triads together. I've placed us in the key of F major. As you can see, it has a B flat. Now, these are not all going to be the one chord or the F chord. I put several different examples so we can understand how to label. So let's look at the first one, and I see automatically it's stacked, line, line, line. So I know it is a root position. What are the letters? B flat, D, and F. All right, so here is the B flat on keyboard. What number is B flat in the key of F? Here's the F. So 1, 2, 3, 4. It is a 4. And if you remember, the 1, 4s, and 5s are all major. So when it's major, we're going to use capital letters. So that's the 4 chord. And that's all you have to put for that one. Now, if you wanted to be more specific, you could put the 5, 3 next to it to describe those two intervals. But if I just see the 4, I automatically know that it is a root position. All right, let's erase the B flat. We don't want to have too much on our keyboard. A little easier to see. All right, let's look at the next one. I see letters D, F. Do you remember that one? A. D, F, and A. So let me just find, and I'll put an X on them. There's a D, F, and A. And when I have it where I'm just skipping one letter, it is a root position. But what number is D? So it's the bottom. In other words, when it's root position, you go with the lowest tone. So it's D. What number is D in the F scale? Well, here's my F. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Do you remember that 6s are minor? I hope so. So you use lowercase. And it is a root position. When I pull all of this open harmony together, I skip one letter in between, and that gives me a stacked. In other words, I could move this A down to here and look at it. Do you see? All right. So we could put the 6, or we could put the 5, 3 if you want to be more specific. All right, look at the next one. What's the bottom letter? It is a stacked, look, space, space, space. So is that a root position? Yes, that's a root position. So it's going to be it's a A. So here's my A. C, and what's the last one? E. And as you can see, it's skipping one letter. But my question is, what degree number is A when I'm in F scale? Well, here's my F. Let's count up. 1, 2, 3. It's a 3. In my major scale, what quality is a 3? It's a minor. And you could put your 5, 3 out to the side to be really specific. Now, if you can't remember if this is a minor, do you remember how you check to see how many semitones between the A and the C? 1, 2, 3. When it's 3, it's a minor. When it's 3 semitones from the first to the third, it would be a minor. And what would be the root to the fifth? It should be a perfect fifth. 7 semitones. So let's see if we have it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Yes. So if you're not sure, if you remember the quality, then please count your semitones to discover that.